Hello everybody, and I am Padma, and today I will be discussing BHU PET 2015 MSc Biochemistry question paper. Coming to the first question, the process by which particles move a region of higher concentration to a lower concentration to spread to uniformity is called as option 1 osmosis, 2 diffusion, 3 transportation, and 4 conduction. Answer is option 2 diffusion. Next, the force with which the surface molecules of a liquid are held together is called option 1 tensile strength, 2 power, 3 cohesive, and 4 surface tension. Answer is option 4 surface tension. Next question. Chief cell secrete. Option 1 NaOH, 2 HCl, 3 NaHCO3, and 4 enzymes. Answer is option 4 enzymes. Next, in a reaction, if a reaction is at equilibrium, the free energy delta G is equal to option 1 1, 2, 0, 10. Answer is option 3 0. Then, which are the non-covalent bonds responsible for the high melting and boiling points of water? Option 1 H bonds, option 2 van der Waals forces, option 3 hydrophobic forces, option 4 electrostatic interaction. Answer is option 1 H bonds, that is hydrogen bonds. Next one, which of the following is a suicide enzyme? Option 1 glucokinase, 2 LDH, 3 cyclooxygenase, 4 GOT. Answer is option 3 cyclooxygenase. Next one, enzyme trypsin converts option 1 amino acids into proteins, 2 glucose into glycogen, 3 starch into sugar, and 4 proteins into amino acids. Answer is option 4 proteins into amino acids. Next one, why is red wine particularly beneficial? Option 1 it contains vitamins, option 2 it contains proper carbohydrate, option 3 it contains antioxidants, and option 4 it contains proteins. Answer is option 3 it contains antioxidants. Next one, which of the following is not useful in identifying the amino terminal residue of a protein? Answer is option 1 cyanogen bromide, option 2 dancyl chloride, option 4 fluorodinitrobenzene, and 4 phenyl isothiocyanate. Answer is option 1 cyanogen bromide. Next one, which of the following amino acid residues is likely to be found on the inside of a water soluble protein? Answer option 1 histidine, option 2 ASP, that is aspartic acid, 3 isoleucine ILE, and 4 arginine ARG. Answer is option 3 isoleucine. The water soluble part of starch is option 1 amylose, option 2 amylopectin, option 3 pectin, and 4 glycogen. Answer is option 1 amylose. The resistance experienced by one layer of a liquid in moving over another layer is called option 1 friction, option 2 viscosity, 3 force, and 4 torque. Answer is option 2, that is viscosity. Which of the following is true? For option 1 apoenzyme minus coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Option 2 apoenzyme plus coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Option 3 apoenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Option 4 coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. Answer is apoenzyme plus coenzyme is equal to holoenzyme. That is option 2. Which of the following is the important reactive group of glutathione in its role as an antioxidant? Option 1 hydroxyl group, option 2 sulfahydryl group, option 3 keto group, and option 4 carboxyl group. Answer is option 2, that is sulfahydryl group. Next one. Which of the following is not a dietary antioxidant? Option 1 vitamin C, option 2 vitamin E, option 3 vitamin K, and option 4 beta carotene. Answer is option 3 vitamin K. Now 16. If the average molecular weight of one amino acid is 110, the molecular weight of a peptide made up of 10 amino acids is expected to be. Answer 1 1100, 2 744, 3 938, and 4 876. I will tell you how I got this answer. Now they have given the molecular weight of one amino acid is 110, and they have told that they have made a peptide which is made up of 10 amino acids. So the molecular weight of these 10 amino acids will be 110 into 10, that is 1100. Now in the formation of a peptide bond, one molecule of water will be lost. So in a peptide that is of 10 amino acids, 9 water molecules are lost, and the weight of water is 9 into 18, so that is 162. So 162 you have to reduce from 1100, and you will get it as 938. Now how many molecules of vitamin A are formed from one molecule of beta carotene? Answer 2. Next question. In photosynthesis and cellular respiration process, the catalyst cytochrome oxidase utilizes option 1 copper, 2 iron, option 3 copper and iron, and 4 nickel. Answer is option 3 copper and iron. Who gave the name nucleic acid? Option 1 Altman, 2 Franklin, 3 Watson, and 4 Crick. Answer is Altman. The offsprings obtain how much gene from father? And option 1 25%, 2 75%, 3 50%, 4 100%. Answer is option 3 50%. A child with IQ 140 belong to which category? Option 1 genius, 2 superior, 3 most superior, and 4 average. Answer is option 1, that is genius. In which era life was evolved? Option 1 Precambrian era, 2 Mesozoic era, 3 Cenozoic era, and 4 Paleozoic era. Option 1 Precambrian era. Next question. A specific characteristic of class Insecta is? Option 1 2 pair of legs, option 2 3 pair of legs, option 4 5 pair of legs, and option 3 4 pair of legs. Answer is option 2 3 pair of legs. Next. Sleeping sickness occurs due to option 1 Euglena, 2 Plasmodium, 3 Crustacean, and 4 Protozoa. Answer is option 4 Protozoa. Silverfish is insect, fish, crustacean, bird. Answer is option 1 insect. Next one. Hydra moves with fast speed by option 1 looping, option 2 walking on foot, option 3 creeping, 4 somersaulting. Answer is option 4 somersaulting. Next one. On which segment of the body the earthworm possesses male reproductive organ? Option 1 segment 18, option 2 segment 19, option 3, segment 20, and option 4, segment 21. The correct answer is between the 10th to 11th segment. Now that option is not there in the question. Now next one. Tendons connect bone to bone, bone to muscle, muscle to muscle, and skin to muscle. Answer is option 2, that is bone to muscle. Which of the following is not an enzyme? Option 1 maltase, 2 amylose, 3 trypsin, and 4 lipase. Answer is amylose. Next one. Most of the members of vitamin B complex are primarily used as option 1 hormones, option 2 enzymes, option 3 coenzymes, and option 4 digestive elements. Answer is option 3 coenzyme. Chloride shift in blood is essential for the transport of which gas? Option 1 oxygen, option 2 nitrogen, 3 carbon dioxide, 4 carbon monoxide. Answer is option 3 carbon dioxide. Tricuspid valve exists between right auricle and ventricle, both auricles, both ventricles, and left auricle and ventricle. Answer is option 1 right auricle and ventricle. Next one. Haptenes are option 1 small molecules, option 2 large molecules, option 3 medium sized molecules, and option 4 inclusion bodies. Answer is option 1 small molecules. How much protein is there in HDL? Option 1 10%, option 2 20%, option 3 50%, and option 4 35%. Answer is option 3 50%. One letter used to denote tryptophan is option 1 W, 2 R, 3 L, 4 K. Answer 1 W. Next one. Deamination of cytosine leads to option 1 thymine, 2 uracil, 3 guanine, 4 adenine. Answer is option 2 uracil. Next one. More than one codon can specify the same amino acid. This is called option 1 degeneracy, 2 regeneracy, 3 continuity, 4 universality. Answer is option 1 degeneracy. If the cytosine content of a duplex is 30% of the total bases, the adenine content would be. Now it is given that cytosine is 30%. Cytosine pair with guanine, so guanine also will be 30%. So both cytosine and guanine together make up 60. 100 minus 60 will be 40. Of these 40, 20 will be adenine and 20 will be thymine. They have asked the adenine content and it is 20%. Which of the immunoglobulin crosses the placenta and reaches the fetus? Option 1 IgA, 2 IgM, 3 IgG, 4 IgE. Answer is option 3 IgG. Next one. Light reaction take place in option 1 stroma, 2 grana, 3 endoplasmic reticulum, 4 Golgi bodies. Answer is option 2 grana. Next one. In cell cycle, the pre-DNA synthesis phase is termed as G2 phase, S phase, G1 phase, and M phase. Answer is option 3 G1 phase. Next one. Crossing over take place in which stage? Pachytene, zygotine, leptotene, diplotene. Answer is option 1 Pachytene. The mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide is an industrial fuel known as option 1 fuel gas, 2 water gas, 3 industrial gas, and 4 vapor. Answer is option 2 water gas. Next one. On-spot treatment of environment pollutant is known as Option 1 in situ, 2 ex situ, 3 local, and 4 transported. Answer is option 1. Next one. Endorphin is A. Option 1 lipid, 2 protein, 3 carbohydrate, 4 nucleic acid. Endorphin is protein. So answer 2. The loss or addition of one or more chromosomes is known as option 1 polyploidy, option 2 aneuploidy, 3 euploidy, and 4 aploidy. Answer is option 2 aneuploidy. Who said ontogeny recapitulates ontogeny? Option 1 Robert Hooke, 2 Haeckel, 3 Baltimore, and 4 Crick. Answer is Haeckel. Next one. The science of improving human stock is known as option 1 genetics, option 2 biology, option 3 eugenics, option 4 animal science. Answer is option 3 eugenics. Adenovirus contains option 1 double-stranded DNA non-enveloped, double-stranded DNA enveloped, double-stranded RNA non-enveloped, single-stranded RNA enveloped. Answer is option 1 double-stranded DNA non-enveloped. Any gene that is placed into a plasmid is called option 1 small plasmid, 2 DNA, 3 insert, and 4 transgene. And option 3 insert. Next one. A single-stranded DNA or RNA molecule used to detect the presence of a complementary nucleic acid is called option 1 sensor, 2 probe, insert, detector. Answer 3 insert. Next one. Oxidative stress is caused due to production of excessive free radicals, production of excessive HCl in stomach, indigestion, low BMR. Answer is production of excessive free radicals. Adjuvants are agents that option 1 decrease immunogenicity of an antigen, option 2 increase immunogenicity of an antigen, 3 decrease immunity, and 4 increase immunity. Answer is option 2 increase immunogenicity of an antigen. Next one. Confining the enzyme molecule to a distinct phase is known as option 1 immobilization, 2 purification, 3 adsorption, 4 absorption. Answer is immobilization. Option 1. An analytical device which employs a biological material to specifically interact with an annihilate and measure the generated electric signal by transducer is called as option 1 electrometer, 2 biosensor, 3 conductor, 4 amplifier. Answer is option 2 biosensor. The disease of tomato is caused by Alternaria solani, Fusarium oxysporium, 3 Helminthosporium sativum, and Ericife polygonum. Answer is Fusarium oxysporum. Next one. Caryopsis is the fruit in member of the family. Option 1 Fabaceae, Asteraceae, Poaceae, Aplaceae. Answer is option 3 Poaceae. Which of the following antibiotics inhibits the translation in eukaryotes? Option 1 tetracycline, 3 puromycin, 2 puromycin, 3 penicillin, 4 chloromycetin. Answer is option 1 tetracycline. Polymerase chain reaction was developed by option 1 Watson and Crick, 2 Hargobind Khorana, 3 Albert Smith, and 4 Carey Mullis. Answer is option 4 Carey Mullis. The first immunoglobulin synthesized by the fetus is option 1 IgA, 2 IgG, 3 IgM, 4 IgE. Answer is 3 IgM. When atoms or ions are missed or misplaced in a crystal, the defects are called option 1 surface defect, 2 point defect, 3 unit cell defect and 4 displacement. Answer is point defect. The molarity of a 250 ml solution containing 0.1 mole of NaOH would be. Now molarity can be written as 1000 into N, where N is the number of moles, divided by volume in liters. Will give you the number of moles per liter. So substituting it in the formula, 1000 into number of moles is 0.1 divided by 250. Sorry, volume in ml it is, okay. 250, and we will get 1 by 25, that is 0.4 moles per liter. What is produced when ethanol vapors are passed over alumina at 600 Kelvin? Option 1 ethane, 2 ethene, 3 acetylene and 4 methane. Answer is option 2 ethene. The metal oxide which is known as philosopher's wood. Answer is option 1 ZNO, 2 CuO, 3 FeO, 4 CaO. Answer is option 1 ZNO. Give one example of a substance used in hair dye. Aminophenol, cyclomethicone, butylene glycol and 4-propylene glycol. Answer is 4-propylene glycol. 1 millimolar is equal to option 1 nanomoles per ml, option 2 1 micromole per ml, option 3 1 picomole per ml, option 4 1 femtomole per ml. Answer is option 2 1 micromole per ml. The sum of pKa and pKb is equal to 12, 14, 10, 7. Answer is option 2 14. How many different stereoisomers are possible with aldohexose? 4, 8, 12, 16. Now aldohexose, they have 4 chiral carbons. So it will have 2 raised to 4, that is 16 stereoisomers. A DNA has 2.1 into 10 raised to 3 nucleotides in its coding strand. The number of codons would be, that would be 7 into 10 raised to 4, 6 into 10 raised to 3, 7 into 10 raised to 3, 4 into 10 raised to 3. Answer is 2.1 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 3. You will get 7 into 10 raised to 4. Answer is option 1. Next one. In which of the following compounds CH bond length is minimum? Ethane, ethene, 1,2-dichloroethene, 1,2-dichloroethane. Answer is option 3, 1,2-dichloroethene. Next one. Freons are chlorofluorocarbons, aromatic molecules, unsaturated fats, carbohydrates. Option 1 chlorofluorocarbons. Cryptophytic algae grow on. Option 1 rocks, water, soil, ice and snow. Answer is option 4 ice and snow. An animal, next one, an animal which is unicellular, microscopic, with no tissues is called as option 1 metazoa, 2 protozoa, 3 chordata and 4 virus. Answer is option 2 prozoa. The organism which contains both the chloroplast and flagella is option 1 paramecium, 2 amoeba, 3 euglena, 4 trypanosoma. Answer is option 3 euglena. Next one. Which one is commonly known as pond silk? Option 1 Ulothrix, 2 Spirogyra, 3 Cara, 4 Batrachospermum. Answer is option 2 Spirogyra. Litmus is a natural dye obtained from 1 algae, fungi, lichens, corals. Answer is option 3 lichens. Bordeaux mixture consists of lime and calcium sulfate, sulfur and lime, copper sulfate and lime, copper sulfate and sulfur. Answer is copper sulfate and next one. The nerve cells are present in the sporangium of option 1 Rixia, Marcantia, Angiosperms, Gymnosperms. Option 1 Rixia. Which one of the following is classified as an eastern cycad? Example Dion, Stangeria, Ceratozamia and Samia. Answer is option 4 Samia. Which one of the following are present only in sponges? Erythrocytes, blastocysts, neurons, funnel cells. Answer is option 4 funnel cells. Next one. Which of the following is called the lantern of Aristotle? Option 1 starfish, 2 sea anemone, 3 sea urchin, 4 hydra. Answer is sea urchin. Option 3. Hypnotoxin is found in nematocysts, sponges, ascaris, protozoans. Answer is option 1 nematocyst. The common feature of renin, amylase and trypsin is that they are option 1 proteins, 2 vitamins, 3 nucleic acids, 4 carbohydrates. Answer is option 1 proteins. The vitamin needed for maturation of erythrocytes is C, B12, D, K. Answer is B12 as well as B9 is also another vitamin that is required for maturation of erythrocytes. Light reaction in photosynthesis produces oxidizing entity, reducing entity, carbon dioxide and glucose. Answer is option 2 reducing entity. RUDP carboxylase can utilize following as a substrate. Answer 1 carbon dioxide, 2 oxygen, 3 carbon dioxide and oxygen and 4 water. Answer is option 3 oxygen and carbon dioxide. The molecule which binds to the active site in an enzyme is called option 1 substrate, 2 activate, 3 inactivator, 4 non-competitive inhibitor. Answer is option 1 substrate. The genetic material of simian virus 40 is option 1 DNA, 2 RNA, RNA DNA hybrid, peptidonucleic acid. Answer is option 1 DNA. Next one. The fibronectin is A. Option 1 nucleoprotein, 2 glycoprotein, 3 lipoprotein, 4 phosphoprotein. Answer is 2 glycoprotein. The red pigment found in the ripe tomatoes are called lycopene, leucoplast, chloroplast, carotene. Answer is lycopene. Replication takes place in option 1 cytoplasm, nucleus, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is option 2 nucleus. Next one. The transcription in prokaryotes is catalyzed by RNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 2, DNA polymerase 3. Answer is RNA polymerase 2. Option 3. Nucleoli are rich in option 1 RNA, 2 carbohydrates, 3 DNA, 4 fatty acids. Answer 1 RNA. Now EFG factor is called as amino acyl transferase, oxidase, hydrolase, translocase. Answer is 4 translocase. Now lac operon is inducible repressible system, inducible system, sluggish system. Answer is option 3 inducible system. Now polytene cells are destined to die because they are unable to undergo mitosis, unable to undergo meiosis, unable to undergo maturation, or short-lived. Answer is unable to undergo mitosis. Next one. Which of the following is an alkaloid? Option 1 menthol, 2 morphine, 3 anthocyanin, and 4 benzoquinone. Answer is morphine. Artemisinin, a plant product, is used against option 1 filariasis, 2 ascariasis, 3 malaria, and 4 cancer. Answer is option 3 malaria. Nitrogenase is protected from oxygen by answer 1 nitrogen, 2 hemoglobin, 3 myoglobin, 4 leg hemoglobin. Answer is 4 leg hemoglobin. Satellite DNA is made up of tandemly repeated sequence, unique sequences of DNA, mini chromosomes, interspersed repeated sequence. Answer is tandemly repeated sequences. Protein transport into mitochondria takes place co-translationally, post-translationally, via peroxisome, through endoplasmic reticulum Golgi pathway. So answer is 2 post-translationally. Collagen is rich in histidine, hydroxyproline, tryptophan, alanine. Answer is hydroxyproline. Measles is caused by bacteria, Puccinia virus, rubella virus, fungi. Answer is rubella virus. What would be likely explanation for the existence of pseudogenes? Gene duplication and mutation events, evolutionary pressure, unequal crossing over. Answer is gene duplication and mutation. Which of the following modification leads to protein degradation? Acetylation, phosphorylation, ubiquitination, methylation. Answer is ubiquitination. During mismatch repair in E. coli, the parental strand is recognized by single-stranded break, glycosylated adenines, double-stranded breaks, methylated adenines. Answer is methylated adenines. Which of the following is a role of gRNA? Self-splicing, polyadenylation, RNA splicing, chemical modification of rRNA. Answer is RNA splicing. Most protection against viral disease in the body take place through the activities of option 1 interferon molecules, 2 penicillin molecules, 3 antigen molecules, 4 antibody molecules. Answer is interferon molecules. Skin cancer is induced by which type of DNA damage caused by exposure to harmful UV rays in sunlight? Option 1 depurination, deamination, pyrimidine dimer formation, alkylation. Answer is pyrimidine dimer formation. Cesium belongs to S1 block, S2 block, P2 block, P5 block. Answer is S1 block. Which of the following reaction intermediates does not have a planar structure? Alkyl carbocation, alkyl carbanion, alkyl free radical, and singlet carbene. Answer is alkyl carbanion. The master break of the cell cycle is cyclin proteins, P21, RB protein, P27. Answer is RB protein. Monopoline is a complex carbohydrate, mitosis specific protein complex, lipid, meiosis specific protein complex. Answer is 4 meiosis specific protein complex. The pyrimidine bases present in DNA are cytosine and adenine, cytosine and guanine, cytosine and thymine, cytosine and uracil. Answer is cytosine and thymine. Next one. Germ-line cells give rise to eggs or sperms, somatic cells. Answer is eggs or sperms. Which of the following is most stable ecosystem? Forest, grassland, ocean, desert. Answer 3. Ocean. Maximum biodiversity occurs at option 1 poles, 2 equator, 3 temperate, 4 tropics. Answer is tropics. The innate immune system includes macrophages, neutrophils, dendrites, macrophages, neutrophils and RBCs, RBCs, chief cells and dendrites, mast cell, beta cell and dendrites, macrophages, neutrophils and dendrites. Option 1. Adaptive immunity is mediated by T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, both B and T lymphocytes and neutrophils. Answer is both T and B. Antibodies chemically are proteins, polysaccharides, glycoproteins, complex lipids. Answer is glycoproteins. Next one. The biologically predominant form of DNA is left-handed zDNA, right-handed bDNA, right-handed aDNA, left-handed aDNA. Answer is option 2, right-handed bDNA. UAA, UAG, UGA encode for 2 amino acids, 3 amino acids, 9 amino acids, no amino acids. Answer is no amino acids. Next one. Hydrophobic drug transporters found in plasma membrane are kept under option 1 channels, 2 pumps, 3 ABC cassettes, 4 group translocators. Answer is 3 ABC cassettes. Effect of holding one's breath on blood pH would be increase in pH or unaltered pH, decrease in pH, neutral pH. Answer is decrease in pH. The ratio Kcat by Km provides a good measure of catalytic affinity, catalytic efficiency, rate of reaction, transition complex. Answer 2, catalytic efficiency. Epimers differ by the configuration about only 1 carbon atom, 2 carbon atom, 3 carbon atom, none of the above. Answer is 1 carbon atom. N-dodecanoic acid known as lauric acid is a protein, nucleic acid, fatty acid, polysaccharide. Answer is fatty acid. The nucleotide sequence of a short DNA that read alike backward and forward are said to be consensus sequences, palindromic sequences, satellite DNA, all of the above. Answer is palindromic sequences. The DNA of phage lambda is single-stranded linear DNA, linear duplex DNA, circular single-stranded DNA, circular double-stranded DNA. Answer is option 4, circular double-stranded DNA. Next one. The chemical reaction that converts glucose to pyruvic acid in a living cell is called glycolysis, fermentation, citric acid cycle, all of the above. Answer 1, glycolysis. Blood clotting factor X is also known as Fletcher factor, Gage-Mann factor, Fitzgerald's factor, Stewart factor. Answer is Stewart factor. Dietary niacin is used to synthesize of the following: FAD+, NAD+, FADH, COSH. Answer is NAD+. Fusion between motile gamete of unequal size is known as isogamy, anisogamy, dichogamy, hologamy. Answer is anisogamy. The edible part of lychee is mesocarp, thalamus, eril, seed coat. Answer is eril. Body of scoliodon is covered by dermal plates, placoid scales, cycloid scales, ctenoid scales. Answer is placoid scales. The study of reptiles is known as ornithology, ichthyology, herpetology, carinate. Answer is herpetology. Sweat glands are absent in the skin of rabbit, man, cat, rat. Answer is rat. Bipolar neurons are found in cornea, conjunctiva, retina, lens. Answer is retina. The muscle fibers are syncytial, perimysium, sarcolemma, endomysium. Option 1 syncytial. Convergent evolution is illustrated by rats and dogs, starfish and cuttlefish, bacterium and protozoans, dogfish and whale. Answer is dogfish and. Which of the following is strongest acid? Cl2CH COH, ClF2C COH, F3C COH, CH3 COOH. Answer is F3C COH. The hybridized state of carbons in CH3C C triple bond CH is option 1 sp2s, 2 sp3sp, 3sp, 4 sp3. Answer is option 1 sp2sp. Which of the following is not a steroid hormone? Progesterone, oxytocin, cortisone, estrogen. Answer is oxytocin. The mode of action of steroid hormones involves binding to a cell membrane receptor, activation of protein kinase, modifying gene transcription, covalent modification of enzymes. Answer is modifying gene transcription. The mad cow disease in cattle is associated to bacteria, prions, virus, protozoans. Answer is option 2 prions. The cross of F1 with its homozygous recessive parent is called as test cross, back cross, top cross, direct cross. Answer is test cross.